कैसे हो?
I'm good. How are you?
I am doing good.
Sorry.
This is Vanshika reporting at Nirman's Food Boutique Sugarland. With cameraman Dolly Deep and our special correspondent Charu Palkam Shetty. So Charu, excited about Nirman's Food Boutique?
Very, very. This is my actual first time. Guilty. I've never been to Nirman's before.
But at least she's here and she's going to be trying all the delicious food that they've put together for us. So chale, try kare.
Of course. Cannot miss the entry. The famous Raste Ka Khana, Khana Ka Rasta, and the big B. Look at that, look at that. Love that. And now we will go and meet.
We have Ayushi here at Nirman's Food Boutique.
Hi,
How are you, Ayu?
I'm good. How are you? All good?
Good.
All good. All good.
So
Excited
what-
to have you guys here today.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure being
I know,
here.
I know. Oh, thank you. Repping Nirman's today. Yeah.
So how's it been? COVID and all that.
COVID, I feel like it's took a really big impact on like everyone in general, like in the restaurant industry with like everyone being here. But I feel that it's like the new norm now with coming out, dining in and stuff. So it's definitely good to see actual humans in the restaurant.
That's good.
Instead of just doing curbside pickups and not even seeing people's faces. But yeah, it's good to have people back and have the restaurant filled up again with social distancing precautions. So yeah.
Perfect. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for sharing that.
course.
And let's, they have a good spread of food right here for us. So Ayu, do you want to take us through what do you have for us today?
Of course. So we have fresh masala chais served in this
Oh, chai chai.
cute little thing right
That
here.
is so cute.
And we have some curries. We have the malai kofta. We have right over there some fresh malai kofta. We have some fresh ragda right here. We have our vada pav, Vanchika's go-to always. The chicken tikka masala right here with some rice. And we got fresh bullet naan and some garlic rosemary naan as well. And we have our new house special, the hot ragda dahi puri. So, just a new special. It's fresh hot ragda, so it's like hot and cold at the same time. It's cool. One of Dad's signatures now. And then over here we have the Mysore masala dosa. So with all the chutneys, sambar, masala. And then we have, of course, our pani puri served in the cute little carts. And also we have our sitafal shake. These are new bottles. So every drink comes in these bottles now. So this is a sitafar.
So taking care of all the COVID.
Yes. And then we also have the fresh lemon soda right over there. So
Wow.
so we kind of have like every type. We have the dosas, the chaat, the fast food, and the Punjabi section. So everything here. Yeah.
Can't wait. This looks amazing. Thank you so much. So we're going to first dig in because as the food is hot, we want to try and give you all our feedback. Of course, हम यहाँ पे पहले आए हैं, लेकिन it's been a long time and I'm so happy to be able to be here and
happy to
sit
have you
and
guys.
eat. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you. And then we will talk to, of course, Chef Nirman and, ask him about his experience for the last 1 year and catering options and a lot more. So let's start. Come, Charu. Sandeep. We can take this out.
So Charo, you always comment on how I always tease you with the close-ups.
And this time I'm not guilty at all because I'm right here. You can tease me as much as you want. But the spread is amazing. Amazing.
And one thing I wanted to show was this drink menu.
This drink menu.
Shows that bottle. So आपको वो सब कुछ like all the lassis is bottle में.
Love the names to it too. Look at all that. Awesome.
Drinks menu to match the two Z's at the end.
I know.
I made that for Dad.
Drinks.
Drinks. There you go. Awesome.
Look at this menu. I love it.
Look at the menu. Look at the variety in this menu.
And the variety,
Wow.
exactly.
Wow.
Like you can have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. Snacks also.
Awesome. Awesome. So you got the Mumbai one. Then you got the Delhi, where we are. You got dosa, thanda garam, ande ka fanda, definitely, and then your house specialties. Wow.
Sushil loves ande ka fanda.
So Sushil, if you're watching right now, yeah. Egg gotala, yeah, that's right. He's always talking about egg.
With the extra pav.
With the extra pav. That extra pav is always important. So Charu, what do you want to start first?
Oh my gosh, I think we'll go with this first.
Okay.
Because that'll be better.
हाँ हमेशा चाट से दही पूरी चाट. This is the special that Nirman Bhaiya has introduced. It's the dahi puri with the ragda, right?
Hot ragda inside.
Hot ragda inside, yeah.
And you can serve with this.
What are you starting with?
What's this called?
Hot ragda dahi puri.
Hot ragda dahi puri.
The hot ragda dahi puri. That's what we're going to
Go
start
ahead,
with.
go ahead, start. And give us your review.
I don't know where to start
Take a
from.
bite.
I'll take a bite from there. I don't want to.
We always
Just dig in.
Just dig in. That's just me. Wow.
It melts in your mouth.
It is amazing, and like she said, it's a good mixture of cold and hot. So the ragda is hot, and cold, of course, dahi puri hai, and all the chutneys and the save on top, and the dahi is so delicious.
It's a blast of flavors in your mouth. It's amazing. It's amazing. Yes.
Another one.
Yeah, thank you so much. Sandeep, what do you want to start with? So I'll tell you something. I love pani puri, right? But my favorite way of eating pani puri is with the ragda again. So, thoda bahut, thank you. ये थोड़ा सूखा मसाला, ये वाला, the regular पानी, थोड़ा और डाल देते हैं यार, क्या जाता है, and the ragda. I love this. Sushil, this one's for you. I know you love it too.
That was live on camera.
I know.
It was so good. मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं है. If the food is so good, why not?
I'm getting it.
Thank you.
Now you all can see how tasty that was.
Rescue. I know.
We got it live on camera.
I know.
It was so good, guys. Again, सूखा मसाला, regular pani puri masala, and if you want the meaty chutney भी है. लेकिन this is the icing on the cake, the ragda. So good.
No, it's your turn.
That's mine.
Okay.
तुम्हें क्या खाना है संदीप?
All right. Let me have. How does she? She knew that. Yeah. She knows. I think.
Give him the chicken tikka masala.
Satari. Ayu's worked with me on a project before, so I think she knows now what this guy likes. So.
Here's chicken. Yes.
Look at this also. ये इंडिया में वो पतरा नहीं होता था, उसमें फ्रेश जब आप बाहर जाते थे उसमें आपको चाट मिलती है. So this is a plate.
Organic also.
Yeah, and this is a plate made out of that.
Limited edition only.
Limited edition.
It's limited.
Okay, so I'm gonna have.
You want
On a
the
di-
naan also?
Oh yeah, the bullet naan.
Have to have it.
The
with-
pani puri also na, I picked up the biggest pani.
I know. I saw that, and you also put some.
Let's try.
That was funny. But that's what fun is, honey. Oh.
So how is it?
Amazing, amazing.
Try some.
So the bullet naan with the chicken tikka masala.
Try some.
Let's try the malai kofta. Okay, now you tease people with them.
I know.
And side में मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा खा रही हूँ. That is the kofta, yeah.
The bullet naan with malai kofta.
Kofta. Wow,
Yeah,
you all are missing out right now.
And what's
Amazing.
the address, are you?
It's 16338 Kensington Drive, Suite 160, Sugarland, Texas.
So 16338 Kensington Drive. And give me your number.
832-532-0699.
So that's Nirman's Food Boutique, and one thing really important is to follow them on Facebook and Instagram. They're very active. They keep you all updated about what's going on, what are the specials, and y'all are doing a great job with that,
Yeah.
by the way.
I make like everything, all the posters, all of that, all week, every week. So
it's her working on that. So she's great social media outreach out there. So yeah, follow Nirman's Food Boutique on Facebook and Instagram.
it's Nirman's Official on Instagram and just Nirman's Food Boutique on Facebook.
And can you check with us if Dad is available
Yes,
for
I
like
can do
quick,
that.
maybe
Yes.
2 minutes? I know he's super busy today, and with the weekend catering orders are going on increasing, which is a good thing. So you know, we will. So अब मुझे दे दो, तुम दोनों कुछ और try कर लो. And again, the interiors, guys. Interiors. That's the chart station there. Beautiful umbrellas, ceiling. That's Dole Wale Digital Leap. That's Charu Palkam Shitty. So Charu, you're from Hyderabad, right?
Yes.
Or from Dubai?
I'm born. You love to tease me, don't you? So I'm born and brought up in Dubai, but my roots are from Hyderabad. If that makes sense. But yes, here.
And we have Chef Nirman Shah.
hi,
Hello,
how are you,
Nirman
Vanshika?
भैया, कैसे आप?
I'm good. I'm
क्या
very
चल
good.
रहा है?
बढ़िया देखो
How have you been?
चलती का नाम गाड़ी चल रहा है.
नहीं, थैंक यू सो मच. पहले तो इतना सारा खाना और बहुत अच्छा है.
नहीं बनता है ना, इतना टाइम हुआ उतना ज्यादा खाना देना पड़ेगा ना.
आई नो इट हैज बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम, लेकिन अच्छा है ना, अब सब खुल गया.
नहीं अब खुल गया, बहुत अच्छा है. It's like been regular now. People show up for the dining. That's a great thing. And you know, we get back with the catering also. Like we get like, you know, now it's wedding and
Wedding
you know the season start, and like, you know, the backyard parties and all, everything starts. So we just get
We're
into
also
back.
doing like the individual party packages, so like kind of drive through to
Yeah.
advance on social distancing and all of that. So.
Yes.
And what's the number to reach or call for if anybody wants to do that?
It's 832-532-0699. That's our restaurant number. And
Or you can fill out our contact form on our website, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can for that
Yeah.
as well.
And भैया एक क्वेश्चन आपके लिए
बोलिए,
था.
बोलिए,
How
बोलिए.
was the COVID हुआ और restaurants में सब में काफी effect
बहुत
हुआ था.
struggle की. It's
कैसा
not
रहा?
everybody. Yeah, we came in contact with our colleagues also, you know, other restaurants also. Friends, we all did a struggle a lot, but everybody is now happy. Like it's a little bit better than last year, and we back in the track.
That's good.
Yeah, that's
as
good.
long as it's better.
Now it's very
and
lots of
back.
positive web now, and people are so happy. And like, you know, the government also help a lot. You know, they started a grant and all. The Fort Bend County also help a lot
Ji.
with the sweet cash programs and all. So like lots of programs will help to sustain, you know, the restaurant. So it be great.
That's good. और आप लोग इतने hard working हैं. The entire family.
नहीं.
You know, blessed to have kids like
Yeah,
this. So
yeah, blessed.
absolutely. So more power to you all. And
Definitely,
सब
woman
कुछ
power.
और भी जल्दी
I
और
know.
भैया
Yeah,
back to
yeah,
you know
yeah,
much
yeah.
before then better
I
हो
know.
जाएगा. But definitely I wanted to call before we wrap up on this live video. I wanted to just say a thank you to Manushi also.
Yes.
Sure.
If
I can
Manu
do.
can come. I know is Niyati Bhavi here?
No, she'll be coming in 1 hour. Yeah.
So Bhabhi, we're missing you, but of course big thanks to you and kudos to you. And और भैया कुछ जाने से पहले आप कुछ कहना
नहीं
चाहेंगे?
बस यार आओ अब तो like, you know, dining start हो गया and everybody come show up, and we kept all the precautions, you know, the make sure and everybody get the hygienic, you know, the space and all, so people just come and enjoy the food here. Yeah, takeout is always there, so people do
Yes.
take out a lot, but now people come for the dining. So this
Yes.
is great.
और इधर भी आज जो हम बैठे हैं, we are in a separate section.
Yes, separate.
And we all are vaccinated,
Yeah.
so we know for sure we
Yeah.
are doing
Yeah,
good.
we are vaccinated.
So here we have Manushi. Hey Manu.
Hi, how are y'all?
We wanted to thank you for having us over here,
Yeah, of course.
and you know, thank you for all the hard work. Y'all are, you know, a family-run business doing great. So, like we were saying, more power to y'all.
Yeah.
And a quick note, you know, Manushi had some experience going to India. So how was that?
I'm just glad to be back safely, honestly. I wouldn't recommend going at all right now, but my heart goes out to everyone in India right now.
Yes,
You know.
absolutely.
Yeah.
So thank you again, and we are so happy that we were able to come back here today. We're
Yeah.
very excited. Thank
After
you
Thank
so
so
you.
long.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank y'all for coming.
Thank you
Bye.
for always being such great hosts.
Of course, anytime.
16338
Kensington
Kensington
Drive.
Drive, and like we said, definitely follow them on Instagram and Facebook. So that way, you know, y'all are doing great on social media. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
So do you want to say something more about anything else you tried?
I haven't tried yet. I'm just waiting for the camera to go off. Then I'm going to try.
So again, we've tried the new dahi puri with ragda. We're going to be trying, of course, the vada pav, the dosa, the malai kofta, chicken tikka masala, bullet naan with rice, pani puri with ragda, and and the masala chai and
Sitafar shake.
these, like Ayu was saying, these are like different shakes packed like this. So you know, आप अपने किसी भी party में रख सकते हो. Like they can make boxes and these. So all you have to do is, even if people still are following, which is good to follow social distancing, you can just keep it separately and grab and go. Yeah. So great job with this.
Thank you. For those who don't know what Sitafar, it's a custard apple shake. Like people like me.
People like you, mean people like Sandeep.
So yeah, that's one of our go-tos. I still need to try it, but I will one day.
That's good.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And now we all are going to eat. और मैं फिर से पानी पूरी खाने वाली हूँ, but I'm not going to show that camera again. So thank you.
No, now we're gonna just put the camera here and watch her eat. No,
No, I'm not doing that on live.
I'm kidding.
Thank you, Charu, for coming out.
Thank you so much for inviting.
Of course. And anything else you want to say about?
Yes, this is my first time coming to Nirman's, and I can tell you that it is very festive. It's just from the decor to the people. They are amazing. The food looks absolutely homemade food that you would, get in India, and which I'm so deprived of. But definitely come out and try this place out. It is amazing. Wonderful people, wonderful food. Thank you so much, Namaste Radio, for having me on the show today.
Thank you, Charu. And you'll be seeing Charu very soon back on air in about a week's time. बट तब तक संदीप और मैं आपको सैटरडे मिलेंगे सुबह 10 बजे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव आवर मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम स्टार्टिंग मंडे, बट वी टॉक अबाउट दैट ऑन सैटरडे. सो सी ऑल 99.5 FM. नमस्ते.